Mushroom paprikash. My mother made this when my father went mushroom picking in the forests. Not sure that I would risk wild-picked mushrooms myself, but the flavor of Hungarian paprika filled the kitchen. Served with whatever pasta was on hand. Here I had bow ties. The hero ingredient is of course paprika. The artisanal smoked versions or the box store in-house version taste great. And mushrooms share the stage. Here is the rich and savory Portobello, brown Cremini, plain white mushrooms from the farmer's market, about 1 kilo or 2 pounds in all. Tomatoes add a bit of color and a bit of tang. I had some cherry tomatoes left over. They'll work. 2 or 3 fresh garlic cloves, an onion, half a cup of broth for the sauce, chicken or veggie as you prefer, 2 tablespoons of flour for thickening, 2 tablespoons of sour cream for that velvety smoothness. Let's start with the paprikash sauce ingredients. Slice up the onion. I would love it if you'd like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Cut the tomato into small pieces. Chop the garlic. We'll fry and caramelize the onion and garlic in oil. And some butter. Let that fry for 3 minutes or so. Add the chopped tomato. Add the flour and stir well. Two or 3 tablespoons of paprika. In my opinion, more is better. Half a cup of broth. Let that simmer for a minute or two. Let's cut the mushroom into slices. Remember to wash them well, because you know where mushrooms grow. The Portobello, Cremini, the white. The sauce is looking good. Let's give it a couple of stirs and let's simmer some more. It's quite a lot of mushrooms, so let's put the sauce aside and use the same pan to caramelize. I love that word. The mushrooms. Add some oil. All into the pan. It is quite full. Cover and let fry. The mushrooms will shrink as the moisture boils off and they turn a nice brown color. Let's see if they're done. Add a tablespoon or so of salt. Add back the sauce. Stir well. Another taste test. 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Stir that well. And let it simmer. Serve over noodles or spatula if you have it. A bit of pepper. Enjoy.